Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living. I'm Gary, and today what we're going to be doing is using up the rest of what's in my winter garden. So I still have some kale growing, so we're going to be cooking up some kale. I still have chard growing, so I have planted last year rainbow chard, and we'll be cooking some of that. And I had these enormous leaves, like for example, this is a breakfast radish. What we're going to be doing is only cooking the leaves. I don't believe that you can use them when they're this large. But for example, I have one that is this long, and I have this really giant one here. I don't think they taste good anymore. But the leaves are edible, and why waste a plant when it's in your garden and it's free, it's pesticide free? So this is what this is about. We'll be doing a basic garden, a winter garden stew. So that's what this video is about.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, a whole food, plant-based lifestyle.
This is my garden. It's winter. These frames, they need a lot of work. This right over here, presently was supposed to be Brussels sprout. That's broccoli right there. This over here housed most of our peppers and magnolias. Another Brussels sprouts growing there, maybe. There's kale and there is chard. So today what we're going to be doing is a combination of a radish leaf. And what happens is when the radish gets to be way too big like these over here are, that's where we're pointing at, you can't use the radish anymore. But you can use the leaves. Why throw away a perfectly good plant? Now here, this radish we might be able to get a chance to eat. Oh, let me adjust the settings. See, that one's probably. But regardless, they're all coming out today. Now look at this monster radish. We probably won't be able to eat that, but we'll try. We'll see what comes of it. But all of these leaves can be used. If you're wondering what kind of radishes these are French radishes. Now they don't look very French, but they are. These are left over from last year. We left them in here in the garden. It looks like there's an onion stuck in the middle of this one. Okay. Yeah, we just pulled out an onion. Look at that. This will go in my salad the next day. But most of these you can't use. Once you pull them out of your garden like this, they've been out in here for a year. They don't taste good. We're going to take all these leaves. See how that look cylindrical? That's definitely the breakfast radish. We're going to take all of these to the kitchen. We're going to wash the leaves and we're going to eat them. This will give me a chance over here to put good quality tomatoes in this area. We might even have another radish over here. Yeah, here's another radish right here. So we have a lot on our hands to do. Now, the next thing we're going to be using is we're going to pull some kale. No, not kale. We're going to pull some chard. Just going to pull it off like this. See what I'm doing? I'm pulling it off. Because chard has a really nice flavor. And you know, yeah, that's a good one there. Looks like something has been laying on my leaves. But these are from last year's chard. And we covered them up so that they wouldn't get frostbite. And it looked like it worked. Let's pull a couple. These are rainbow chards. And we're going to have a nice variation of color in my stew. And if you're curious, rainbow chards doesn't make a difference what color they are, they taste the same. Alright, this over here is kale. Curly kale. We're just going to pull a couple off the bottom. These are also from last year. And this one I did pull out, and what happened is it grew back, which is kind of cool. See all these little green guys? These are romaine lettuces that I've decided to come back. I have to find a way to carefully pull them out of there and transplant them into this bed.
but not tonight. Tonight, we're going to work on this stew. Okay, here's another one here. Okay, so we got a good start. Look at that. We even have a pepper here we can pick. A red pepper, that's good. All these other peppers are gone. Okay, so I'll put that in my pocket. Gotta find a way to pick this all up. Okay, so now we've got all this vegetation that we're going to be cooking. We're going to have to come back for all those leaves over here, because I don't have enough ends. Okay, so we're going to see you back in the kitchen.
Subscribe to us and give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you for watching.